Hi, I'm Ray. We're in the garden today and I've got my rose Campion and we're having a look at how to deadhead the rose Campion. So this is also known as Silene or Lychnis Coronaria. So it has this really lovely woolly silvery foliage and it's lovely, and this is a very hardy plant. The first year it will grow a small plant and the second year we get our beautiful blooms, and this grows up to about 2 foot tall and will flower June and July. And to keep this flowering we need to be deadheading. So we're having a look at how to deadhead our rose Campion. So the rose Campion likes full sun and a bit of partial shade. It likes some well drained soil, and very poor dry soil is good. So this is called a short-lived perennial, and it will grow 2 years and then it will flower and then it will die. But the seeds really just scatter when they've all flowered and they regrow and replant themselves. So this plant was given to me by a customer, just one small plant in a pot. I put it into this pot and it's already doubled in size within 1 year. And this one has lovely magenta flowers, and they also come in a white variety which I saw the other day, which looked absolutely lovely. I'd love to try and get a white variety. So these are self-seeding, and these are great to just reseed in the garden in spaces that you would not normally plant stuff, and they will regrow. So let's have a look at how to deadhead these rose Campions. So if we take a look, at this stem here, we can see the flower has died on the end and it's creating a seed pod. But just further down the stem is a new bud just appearing. This one here has died, there's nothing on this one. So all we need to do is just remove the very end, leaving the bud still there. Just like that. So we leave the new bloom ready to grow and the seed pod can be discarded. This one has got a new bud on the side here. So I'm just going to remove that one, and this one's one on its own. There we go. And this one, so just follow it right down. If we look down the stem, we can see there's some more buds down the stem. And we go through the whole plant, looking at each branch, got a new bud here. So we take a snip. We'll have a look at this one and snip. Go all the way down, looking as we go. This one here's got 2 little buds. So we snip. So if we take a close up one, this one has died. And this one's a new shoot with a new bud on top. and we'll just remove that one. We'll take a look at this one. There's no shoots on this one, so we'll remove that one too. And we'll go through the whole plant, looking at each one. So here we go. We go down. Look at this one. Remove this one, but there's one on the top here, so I'm going to leave that one. And it's got a little bud on this one, so remove that. So if we take a look at this one, we can see the flower. We go right down, we can see there's a new bloom, so we just remove. So I'm going right through this whole plant, checking bud here. Remove that one. This one. This one here. Got a bud here. I'm going to remove that one. So this is one of the seed pods, and it's so easy to collect seeds. All I have to do is just tap, and that's all new seeds. So it's easy to collect the seeds, store them in a paper envelope, paper bag, or sow them in the autumn, ready for next summer. Easy. One little party trick: if you put the flower in between your thumb and finger and twist, you can rotate the petals. So here we are. We're all deadheaded. Removed all the old heads, and we've left all the new ones, except for one right at the very top. Always miss a few. So we look forward to these reblooming, and we can see already how many seeds just coming from those heads. So a quick job, about 10 minutes just to deadhead this plant. A couple more to do yet. So let me know in the comments, have you got any rose campions in your gardens, and what colour have you got? Have you got any white ones? That'd be really interesting to hear. They look really, really good. But these scarlet ones looking really, really good too. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Cheers.